Hi everyone, my name's Emily Harwood. I live in Great Falls, Montana. I am taking this class because I am hoping to get into PA school and I am hoping to get a better grade this time around. I took it during my undergrad, which I graduated last May. I did college basketball during my time at my undergrad, and we had just got to our playoffs when biochemistry had started, and so I started late coming into class because we were gone traveling so much, and so I just feel like I could do better in the class once I started from the beginning instead of starting so far behind. So I'm excited to retake it with all of you and do it in this medically based format. So I'm super excited. And then hopefully I can get into my PA schools. Some things that I like to do. I love being outside. If you can't tell from my slightly sunburnt face, I was at my little brother's state golf meet the last 2 days, which is why I'm popping on here on Thursday instead of yesterday because I didn't have a computer yesterday. I also enjoy hiking and just being in the water. And then basketball, obviously, since I played in college. I got to coach this year for my old high school team, which was super fun. And I just like meeting new people, and I think that this class will be really great based on all of our busy life schedules and still being able to interact from all over. It's super cool that we're all from such different areas. I work as a CNA at the hospital. I'm typically on the orthopedic and neurology floor, but I kind of float around to all the different floors. So it's super cool because I get to see a lot and have got a lot of patient experience that way and have really solidified to myself that I want to be in patient care. Whether the PA route works out or not, I definitely know that patient care is where I want to be, and so I think this class will really play into that. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to tell. I'm excited to take this class with all of you and get to know you all, and thank you for sharing all of your videos. It was super fun to learn about all of you, and I'm excited to see how this summer goes. So, thank you.